So most of the people who watch my video where I analyze gold and Euro USD were asking me why didn't I took the trade. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Emmanuel, and here on my YouTube channel, I help struggling traders to become profitable traders. I also help beginners to become profitable traders. I am a swing trader, a professional swing trader. So I'm a very conservative trader at that one, guys. I'm very conservative when it comes to anything money, be it business, be it forex, be it, and so far money is involved. I'm very conservative. So if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because this channel is going to change your trading results. And if you're a day trader and you just came to across the channel, be ready to switch to swing trading, because that is the very best way to trade forex. So guys, as I was saying, you guys have been asking me why didn't I take that trade, why didn't I execute that trade, but I said those trades are going to go this way, and these two pairs obeyed me. So why didn't I take the trade? Everyone was saying, why didn't I take the trade, why didn't I take the trade? You analyze this, and yes, they went your way, and still you didn't take the trade. Guys, there's a video I posted I think 5 days ago, my second video on my YouTube channel. If you guys are going to go and check, I'm still going to drop the link of the video in the description of this video. I posted 4 risk management tricks that is going to change your trading results. So on that tricks, the third trick was one-to-one trading, one-to-one trade setup, which I say to myself that I am not going to trade any trade that is or any setup that is below one-to-one or even one-to-one at all. And these two setups, these two trades, these two pairs gave me a setup of one-to-one, guys. See, guys, if there's one thing you understand about me, I'm a very disciplined trader. I'm a very disciplined trader. That's what differentiates me from other traders. I'm very disciplined when it comes to trading. Guys, I have my rules, I have them written down. So if I want to execute a trade, I do go to my rules. I do go to my risk management rules. I do go to, there are other factors I created rules for. I do go and read them to remind myself, to refresh my brain of this is what you said you will do and this is what you said you will not do. As a trader, a struggling trader, if you are able to pass the stage of sticking to your rules, creating your rules and sticking to your rules, congratulations to you. You are already a profitable trader, because that is the hardest part. Like, that is the very hard part of trading. You understand? So I said to myself that these trades are against my rules. These trades are against my risk management rules. If you go through my video about risk management, I'll still drop, like I said, I'll drop the link to the video on my description. I said on the third tip, I said risk. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, on the third tip, any trade that is lower than one-to-one risk to reward or one-to-one risk to reward, I'm not going to trade them. I go for 1-to-2. See, guys, I want you guys to understand something. I want you guys to understand something. If I'm going in a trade, there's something I check. I check if that trade worth the risks I'm taking. Do you understand? So if I should trade, I'm an Igbo guy. I'm from part of Nigeria. Igbo guy from part of Nigeria. They called Igbo. Yeah, we don't joke with money. We don't joke with we don't joke with business. We don't joke with everything involved with money. So guys, when it comes to risk to reward, I don't risk $3 to get $3. No, we don't do that. I risk $3 to get $6. Yes, you can say I'm greedy. Yes, I go for, I know that okay, this trade worth my risks. Even though I lose that trade, I'll be like, yes, this setup worth my risks. But you losing a setup that is one-to-one, no now. And Nigerian brothers will say, no now. So that's what I said to myself. Euro USD, yes, you went my way, you did what I asked you to do, but you didn't give me a juicy risk to reward. Same thing with gold. Yes, you did what I said, you went my way, but you didn't give me a juicy risk to reward. So I'm not going to trade you. Whether you like it or not, I'm not going to trade you. You should go wherever you want to go. You can go to like fly. I don't care. So far you are not doing what I asked you to do. Guys, learn to control the market. Have pride. When you're trading, have pride as a forex trader who wants to succeed. Guys, talk to the market like you own it. Like, see, if you don't do what I asked you to do, I'm not going to touch you. If you don't do what I asked you to do, I'm not going to trade you. So this is what I say to these two pairs. Yes, you broke the counter trend line. Yes, you're bullish. Yes, but you didn't give me a juicy risk to reward. So I'm not going to trade you. So guys, I said to myself, no, I can't. I can't. That's why I replied to those who texted me on Telegram. Um, these are my reasons. Go watch my video. Go watch my risk management video. You see, I didn't just created the video for creating video sake or creating the video to get views on YouTube or creating the videos to get subscribers on YouTube. I'm creating the video to help traders who have not experienced what I have experienced, to help them shorten the journey for them. See, oh, this is the map. This is the Google map. This is the Google map to where you are going. This is the Google map to where you are going. You understand? This is the Google map to where you are going. Follow this path. Follow this way, so you won't, so you no go miss. So I didn't create the video to get views but yeah, the views, yes, the subscribers are also good, but there is value there. That's the most important thing. So guys, that's my reason why I didn't took those two trades. But I'll still switch to my chart, show you guys what I feel will happen on Euro USD, because after NFP, they were bullish, and a bearish movement came in after NFP, which is, which will make a lot of trader panic, which will also make a lot of trader close out the trade, which will also make a lot of trader lose their money. Those with tight stop loss, mostly day traders, most with tight stop loss day traders, they are still going to lose their money. But guys, the most important thing is my money is with me. My money is with me. You understand? I didn't lose my money. You understand? That is one of the most important things. My capital is secured. So once your capital is secured, you have nothing to cry over. You don't have nothing to cry over. Yes, so your capital is with you. That's the most important thing. So guys, I'm still going to show you guys on my screen what I feel like Euro USD and gold will do next. So if you watch the video to this extent, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment on this video what you want. Like, are you a trader who is passing through some, I know trading is somehow, very, very, very frustrating. So in any part of trading which you're having problems, drop it on the comment section, guys. Drop it. I'm going to treat on all of them. I'm going to do a video on that your problem you're having in forex. Please, guys, I'm a swing trader, so if you're coming with your problem, come with swing problems. I'm not like chasing day traders away, but to be sincere with you, swing trading is the best way to change forex. Yes. I don't even call myself a forex trader. I do see myself as a fund manager. Yes, I do call myself a fund manager. I believe that I'm a fund manager because traders are those people call themselves forex traders. I think day traders are the ones that should be calling themselves forex trader, because guys, the amount of discipline I have in me and how conservative I am when trading. I, I, I don't, I shouldn't be called a forex trader. I should be called a fund manager. So, guys, I'll be switching to my screen. So, let me show you guys what next I feel like is going to happen on these two pairs, gold and Euro USD. Let's move. So, guys, this is my gold chart. As you can see, this is my gold chart. This is daily time frame on my gold charts. That's like I was saying, this daily time frame engulfing candle broke this counter trend line right here. Like, guys, this was what I predicted on my checking my mic. Sorry, guys. This was what I predicted on my previous video. I think the second video on my YouTube channel. I'm still going to drop the link, like I always say. I predicted this pair. I predicted gold to break this counter trend line right here. It broke it, but my rule told me not to trade it. Guys, this is where I plan to keep my take my take profit. So I was expecting gold to do something like this. I was expecting gold to do something like this. Where's this guy? Expecting gold to do. What's wrong with my mouse? I was expecting gold to do something like this. You understand? Come down here a little bit before going higher, so I can get like a juicy risk to reward. But gold didn't do that. It just came here and blow up to the upside. So guys, here was what I did. Like when I saw that gold have already blow up and broke the counter trend line, here's what I did. I came here, I placed my this thing, then I brought my stop loss here. You guys can see how huge my stop loss is. My stop loss is even bigger than, as in more huger than my reward. So I was like, no, 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 no. This is not what I normally trade. This is not my kind of setup. This is not what I trade. You understand? So I said to myself, I'm not going to take this kind of trade. Because tell me why I should take a trade like this. What am I gaining? So me that normally risks 3% of my account, 3% of my investors account, will now come here and risk 3% on that account on a setup like this. So what if the trade go against me? So guys, after NFP, which is on Friday, after NFP, this bearish candle came in. This bearish daily candle. This is how Friday closed. This bearish candle here. So most traders who took this trade around this side, around this engulfing candle, may have may be in drawdown, not that much drawdown if their stop loss is like down below here, but their stop loss should be around here. You understand? So they're either in drawdown, or some of them have panicked and exit the trade with a loss, or some of them are holding but still that kind of a thing. You're holding a trade but you're not at peace, your mind is not at peace. Guys, I like trading setups that give me peace of mind. So there are some people that are holding this trade now but their mind is not at peace. They're like, when market will open, please, this trade should not go down again, this trade should start going up. Like they are praying inside. They are binding and casting. They are praying for this trade to just go up. But I myself, I have my peace here. Here am I smiling, laughing, still have my capital with me. So that's one of the like best feeling in trading. You know the right thing to do. You know the right steps to take. You know when to stay behind. You know when to go in. That's what makes you a disciplined trader, a conservative trader. So guys, what am I expecting on gold? If you should ask me, I'm not doubting the fact that gold may still go up to this my take profit that I was expecting gold to come. You understand? If I took the trade, you understand? So I'm expecting gold to, if possible, I feel gold may come and give us a double top. I feel gold is kind of tired of going higher. Maybe you want to reverse a little. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's see what's happening there. See how it looks on the weekly time frame. So I feel gold want to give us a double top here, then come down, break this neckline here, and start falling. That's what I feel. But nothing is assured in the market. The market may still behave the way you want to behave. The most important thing to me is that my money is with me. Anyhow the market want to behave, let it behave. My money is with me. You understand? My capital is with me. My funds, my bars are with me. My funds are with me. Anything the market want to do, it should do. So far that I'm not, I don't have anything to do with it. Like my money is not there. So it's either gold get pump up to this place and give us a double top, then come down to break this neckline, or gold fall down, down, down below here. So if you are on this trade, just expect to any of these two to happen. It's either the trade gets up to this place or the trade fall below. You understand? So let's go to Euro USD. Let's see what is happening there. Some traders are holding their trades there. Some traders are holding their trades. They are waiting for market to open. They don't know what will happen next. So let me clear your mind. Let me tell you with my strategy. So this is Euro USD. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Go to the 4 hour time frame. Guys, see what I was expecting. See what I was expecting on this pair. I was expecting Euro USD to come down. See this space. Come down here. You understand? Come down here, give me some juicy this thing, then go up. But he refused and came and break here with an engulfing candle. You guys can see this engulfing candle. And this trade is very convincing that you if you're a trader that doesn't have experience, you just jump on it. You understand? I'm not saying that Euro USD is not going to go to the upside. It will still go to the upside, but I'm just telling you guys why I didn't take the trade. It was against my rule. You understand? So instead of me jumping on the trade and panicking, it's better I don't even trade it at all. It's better I don't trade it at all. Let's go to the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. Euro USD can still go to the upside. I'm bullish on that on Euro USD and gold. That's the most interesting part. I'm bullish on them, but the setup the both of them gave me, I don't like it. So it's either Euro USD go above this level, or it give us a double top here and fall down. You understand? Two of them may happen. Any of them may happen. You get me? So that, guys, that is what I have for you guys. And I'm on a trade on USD CHF. Guys, before I started uploading videos for you guys, I took this trade, to just want to share it with you guys because I shared it with you guys before. Shared it with you guys before. Shared it with you guys before. The network is bad, like I said. The network is bad. Maybe the network don't want me to show it to you guys. At this side, network is kind of disturbing. I don't know what's the reason, but I believe you guys understand the reviews I did on these two pairs, gold and Euro USD. I'm still bullish on both of them, but I'm not trading them because they went against my rules. You understand? You understand that kind of thing? You disobeyed your parents, and your parents had to punish you. So me, I'm punishing them for disobeying my rules, punishing them by not trading them, by not giving them my money. We've come to the end of today's YouTube video. I'm glad and I'm happy that you learned something from everything I said today. You understand? Because the most important thing is you learning something from anything or any information I drop here, any video I drop here. I want you to learn something from it. But that, because that's what makes me happy. That okay, the value I'm giving out, that someone is using it. You understand? Someone is benefiting from it. It's not wasting. It's not wasting. So guys, I believe you learned a lot, and I'm still going to drop more important and valuable content for you guys here on my YouTube channel. If you are still here to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Like I said in the beginning, are you passing any struggle in forex, like you want me to talk about particular parts of forex, maybe that part is affecting you so much and you want me to talk about it, comment it, drop it on the comment box. Drop that problem you're facing through your trading journey, drop it on the comment box.